Well, good morning, everybody. We are at Chapman Mountain, the land trust at Chapman Mountain. It's my first time out here. I'm at the trailhead with the map and all that kind of stuff. And we're going to be actually doing something a little different today. I've been doing a whole lot of mountain biking on my channel, which I probably will always do because it's my favorite thing to do. But we're going to be hiking today. It's been raining the last couple of days, so we're going to give the trail some time to dry up. And well, we're just going to get out here and get some exercise in and try out a new place. Chapman Mountain has a couple miles of trail, not a whole lot, but they just acquired 86 acres at their land trust or their preserve area, so that's awesome. So we're gonna go check it out and stick around and see what we find out. Alright, so we're a little bit of ways into the trail. We hiked a trail called the Driscoll Trail. We came from that way, and we're at an intersection with the Terry Trail, which if you go right that way, you can go on it and left, so it's a loop trail. I think it's the trail that takes you up the highest in elevation. It's probably a mile long. So far, what I've noticed here, I mean, you're in the woods, you're in the forest. The vegetation on the trails is kind of overgrown up onto the trails. I mean, there'll be nice little sections like that where it's nice and open, but it's kind of overgrown on your feet, and so it makes you a little nervous in summertime with snakes and all that thing. But we're gonna hike up this Terry Trail because I want to go up some elevation, and there's poop all over the trail right there, so we'll skirt around that. That's nice horse poop, which I believe horses are allowed here. Oh, more horse poop. That's just great. Man, there's a ton of it. So we're still hiking this trail called the Terry Trail, and I'm actually liking it. It's a lot more groomed and maintained than the opening trail, which is very odd of why they wouldn't maintain that trail more, the opening one, Driscoll or Moonshine, but this one is nice. We're going to the highest point of elevation. I think it's just right around 1,000 feet. So, you know, it's a shame, and I imagine this will change. You know, come out and maintain your opening trail. That way people can get back here to the good stuff, because this is good. This is a good trail. It's well maintained, so I would encourage them to go and maintain that opening trail, not to discourage people and be like, I don't want to hike here, it's too overgrown, when this awesome trail that goes up, looks like we're going to the top of the ridge. We're about to get on a trail called Whole Planet Trail. Where is that sign? Whole Planet Trail, and that works just back down to the parking lot. Like I said, there's just a little bit of trails here, not a ton. Looks like they may be forming some more out that way, but we're gonna head to the parking lot, and I can tell that we're close to the interstate / highway. Work our way downhill. That's just good to get outside, break away a little bit, get some peace out here, and life is too short, so go take a hike. You'll enjoy life a little bit more, I think. Some rock features along the trail on the way down from the backside of the mountain. If you don't know me, I like to go to different places. I like to do different things. I don't like to do the same thing over and over again. I mean, I will, but it's nice to just change it up. You know, change where you ride, change where you hike, discover something new. Shoot, go float a river. I haven't done that in a while. Whatever it is, just keeps life fun. You just get to experience new things, and but sometimes it's been a while since you've done one of them, and it just rejuvenates you, I guess is the word. So this place has been good. Okay, so do yourself a favor. If you come hike at Chapman Mountain, don't hike the Amphitheater Trail. I mean, I knew it was gonna dead end, but I thought there'd be something cool at the end of it. Alright, we just came to another trail intersection. We're walking the Moonshine Trail. That goes back on the Terry Trail, and you can keep going on the Moonshine Trail out that way. You could ride this, or I say ride this, that's because that's what I do a lot. You could walk this place in different ways, make different loops out of it. You know, it's not a whole lot of trail, but it kind of is, because you can walk it different ways, and it feels different. And so we're gonna go down the Moonshine Trail, and this will take us back out to the parking lot. eventually. So that was my hike for today. Nice short little hike, good before work kind of hike, and we'll see you next time on the trail. And hope you get out there, subscribe to my channel. I know this is a little bit change of pace from biking, but it's good to do different things every now and then. So we'll see you again.